How to fix Litmatch account not working. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Litmatch app not working. If your Litmatch application is not working, then there are several steps you can try to resolve this issue. First of all, you need to ensure that you have stable and strong internet connection. You may also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Also, you can close the app completely, remove it from your background and reopen to see if that fixes the problem. Also, make sure you are using the latest version of Litmatch application. You can go to the Google Play Store of your device and check for the updates. Open your Google Play Store, tap on the search icon at the bottom right and type in Litmatch in the search bar. Once you search for it, tap on the Litmatch account at the bottom. And here if you find update button, go ahead and tap on update in order to install the latest version of Litmatch application. But if you didn't find update button right here, that means your application is already up to date. If your application is already up to date, then you can go to clear app cache. For that, open your device settings. In the settings page, scroll down to find application option. Tap on applications or apps. And from here, find Litmatch application. Once you find the Litmatch application, tap on it to open it. And inside it, here scroll down to find storage. Tap on storage. And in this page, you'll be able to see clear cache option at the bottom right. Tap on clear cache in order to remove all your cache. This will help you with the performance issues. Once you have cleared your cache, now check if the issue still persists. If this is not solving your problem, then you can uninstall the Litmatch application and then reinstall it again from the Google Play Store. This will help you to fix any related corrupted app files. Long press on your Litmatch account and there tap in this uninstall button. Confirm it by tapping on OK and the app will be uninstalled from your device. Once the app is uninstalled, now open your Google Play Store and there search for Litmatch. Once you find the install button below the Litmatch, tap on install to reinstall it on your device. Also sometimes if Litmatch is experiencing server outage or maintenance, you may face this issue. For that you can check their social media pages or website for any announcement. So by following the steps, you should be able to resolve most issues with Litmatch application and fix not working problem. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.